All right, hey guys, Anson here from Forge and Homestead. Welcome back. So you're probably gonna hear him continuing to chew on that bone down below, but it's all right. Yeah, he's a puppy. He's doing some chewing stuff. He even chewed on the house. But hey, it is what it is. When you have a puppy, things are gonna happen. So I wanted to jump in here really quick to say once again, congratulations to Walsh Farms. Tony had reached out to me today, basically to claim his winnings. All right, so he's actually been not feeling too great due to the stuff going around. Yes, he did get sick from that, but he's doing good. He's feeling better, and once again, congratulations, Tony, on your win. All right, so I'm gonna get that packed up as soon as we can. Like I told you, the tripod part I actually still have to make. We've been having some really awful weather, especially during the weekends. Whenever I have time to do such things outside, but it's been raining, so I'm not going to stand outside in the rain, especially when it's a little cooler, playing in the forge. And until I can get a shop that's enclosed, I kind of have to work around the weather. All right. But I will get it made. We'll get that stuff sent out. And once again, congratulations. All right, so the other thing that I want to talk about too really quick is ISOtunes. All right, so for last year, okay, whenever we first became an affiliate, okay, we're part of the affiliate program of ISOtunes. I had reached out to them, had talked about, our daughter that is autistic and my stepdaughter, Glass's daughter, okay. And they were so graciously willing to send us some of the link, right? So you've probably seen these in some of our Instagram posts, right? And we put that in there. So, yes, these are child approved, and she loves them. These are Bluetooth capable, okay? Has a little stuff here on the side. All right. And so you turn it on, has a little place where you plug it in, power on the bottom, right? So ISOtunes link. And then they have different styles, right? Different corded ones. These are the free because they're completely free. You charge the case that has a little charge port here. Okay. And then these are wireless and free. All right, so for every sale that we make with ISOtunes, 10% of that comes back to us as a commission. And out of that 10% that we earn, okay, we take 50% of our earnings and we give back to a charity. Now, the charity that we're doing, since we were graciously given these as like a trial, right, for our daughter, we are giving back to Autism Awareness. And we had picked the charity. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get you guys flipped around. We're going to go into the computer. I'm going to show you basically the stuff that we did. It was for October, November, December. We didn't have any sales in December, unfortunately, even though it was Christmas time. But hey, we're just getting started on this adventure and giving back and all that to Autism Awareness. And everyone that did put in an order, we thank you very much. And yeah. Let's go check this out. All right, so this is probably going to be a little grainy, okay, because I'm just using my phone to record the laptop screen. But right here, okay, you can see we had a sale for October 14th, the 29th, November 8th, and November 25th. And these were the order amounts, okay, and then our commission of what we earned, okay. So once it's approved, ISOtunes does a 30-day money-back guarantee, so we have to wait for those 30 days, plus or minus, a couple weekends and whatnot, so it's 30 working days. And then that's why this one still says pending, okay? So for the status of that, once it gets past that 30-day period to where you can get your money back, then this will come back as either approved or denied or just whatever reason. Okay, let's say that they returned their product, that they didn't want it anymore, then we will not get approved for that right here because they didn't keep the product. All right, and then for here, this is the payment status. This is our payments. So this one was already approved. We'd already received this. Okay, there's 3 items. We earned $33. And then these 3 we still have not been paid for yet, but they are in pending process. Okay, and then so we can come here and we'll say the 33, okay, plus the 850 plus the 8 plus the 7. Okay, that equals $56.50. And then we're going to divide that by 2. So it's $28.25. And I'm going to go ahead and round that up to $30. So we're actually doing a little more than 50%. Okay, so $30 is what we're going to be doing to our charity. So we utilize Charity Navigator. This is something that we go in and we look at the ratings and just the scores, okay? The score out of a possible 100 of what they receive as an overall score and rating based off of their financial score, their accountability, transparency, basically telling you, where is my money going, okay? So 43.2%. All right, information research is 39.2%, and then education is 17.5%. All right, so you add those up, okay, and it's going to tell you. So let's go ahead and go down here, okay. So we'll go 43.2 plus 39.2 plus 17.5 equals 99.9% is going back into the program. All right, it's not going into a CEO's pocket. It's not going into people's pocket to pay for overhead or whatever it is. So 99.9% of my money that I am sending them is going into the information, research, and education for this organization. All right, so that makes me happy, and that's why they got a really good overall rating of 95.71%, okay? And that's another reason why we are going to donate to this charity. So it's an organization for autism research. All right, so we're going to go in here, and like I said, we will come in and we will be doing however much we make at the end of the year. Okay, so last year it was only 3 months that we were able to do anything, so we didn't really earn a whole lot. We're just getting started. So by the end of this year, and if we earned enough monthly, we can even come in here and do this monthly as well. But as of right now, we are going to be doing this by the end of the year, even though now it is the beginning of the year. So this donation here is actually for 2020, even though I'm making it at the beginning of this year. All right. So I'm going to do an other. Okay, we're going to come in here. We're going to put 30. Uh-oh. The doggy's back there. You okay, buddy? Yeah, he's okay. He's going back to chewing on his bone. All right, so this is going to be just a one-time frequency for now, and then please share with this organization. Okay, so for here, we are going to go ahead and put in our name and email address, and then we're going to we're not worried about a loved one right now. We're going to go ahead and give to the basket. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go to checkout now. So as we're coming in here, okay, we don't have dedication, share info. Okay, so I went ahead and off camera, I did double check that it had the correct email that I wanted to be in there, okay, along with our name. And that is fine. That is good to go. Okay. So, and for this, I'm actually going to be utilizing our PayPal accounts. All right. So as of right now, we're not going to do any type of donations to the Charity Navigator. All right, so let's go ahead and let's pay. Okay, so as we see in here, there's a total donation processing fee of $1.18. Okay, I didn't know exactly. I knew there was going to be a fee, but I didn't know how much it was going to be until I got to this point. All right, so I'm actually going to go back and increase this up to a $31.18. That way they're getting our full $30 of what we want to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll click here and go back to our giving basket. All right, I'm going to come down here to edit. So I'm going to do backspace 3118. Save changes. Oh, okay. So it says whole dollars. All right. So I'm just going to do the $31 then. Check out with PayPal, which I know it's going to go a little more. Okay, $29.78. It's still more than what we had actually raised, and that's fine. They're going to get their processing fee. They're getting a few more cents. So it's $29.78. And y'all, we're just getting started, okay, with our affiliate with ISOtunes. So make sure you're going down into the description, checking out the link that we have provided, okay, see the different products that they have. And if you got a gift you want to give to somebody, birthday gift, okay, Valentine's Day is coming up, anything like that, once Christmas comes back around again, all those things, right? ISOtunes makes a really great product, and I know that you guys will enjoy it. All right, so I'm not going to show you my PayPal information because that does link, obviously, my bank information, even though it doesn't show the entire account. But it also has our home address and such on that. So I'm going to go ahead. I went ahead and cut that part out so you can't see the information. I'm sorry. Love y'all, but you're not going to get that information from me. Okay. So this is basically going through. It says our donations, the confirmation. All right, we have the Organization for Autism Research. The amount charity received was $29.78 with a $1.22 processing fee. It was a one-time frequency. It says, have you donated to this charity before? It's an optional survey. We're going to put no, okay, for now, because this is our first time, y'all. So we're going through, and there will be many more things going to this charity, all right, in the future. But that's all based on y'all. As long as you guys are going out and you're purchasing the ISOtunes with the link that we have provided down in the description, then we will get that 10% commission. Out of that commission that we receive, 50% of it will be going back to this charity. All right. So there we go. We got our confirmation. Everything's going to be going through as we're getting an email saying that we have donated. And then as it lists, on behalf of the organization you supported today, thank you. And we just want to say a really great big thank you, because if it wasn't for y'all ordering the products from the link that we have, getting that commission and being able to give back, then obviously we wouldn't be able to give back because all of these donations and everything are coming from y'all, not from us. Okay, so go down, check it out, see what they have. ISOtunes, great product. I love them. Just some of the different things that we're going to be doing this year. Okay, we have many different building projects. We're still waiting for some of those prices to come back down a little bit. We're still saving up some of the things that we need to do to build some of these products. Okay, it's a new year, y'all. 2021, 2020 is out of here, out the door. Okay, so we got many things coming up. We're still not fully monetized. Once we're monetized, then we're going to start donating a portion of those proceeds as well back to the veteran communities. All right. All right, so Gimli wants to say goodbye. All right, buddy. I know. All right. And definitely thank you guys for following along. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now. Oh, I know. Where's your bone? Okay, get down.